Hey fam, today we are harvesting our cucumbers. Hubby has done a great job of protecting our cucumbers, tomato plants, pepper plants. Put this mesh over them and they have just climbed up the trellis. And you see that big cucumber there? I think I'm going to go on and let it. So you can go on in and cut them down. Since we already got the party started, let me see. I'm going to find a bowl or something to put in, to put the harvest in. I'm going to set you guys right there so you can see what he's doing. He's cutting through that mesh netting. And today, guys, there were like 6 of the most beautiful bumblebees pollinating those male plants today. So we should have some more coming up. Look at how the tomatoes, while he's getting that, oh look, he's going to ready to pick that. You can just twist them off. He's going to cut it, harvest it. This is our second cucumber. Look at that, it's nice. Okay, look, he's getting this other one here. That's nice and plump. He got some good cucumbers, honey. Now look at this big one. Show that to the family. Yes, that's cool. Isn't that beautiful? From our backyard. I mean, like professional growers don't get them any more beautiful than that. Okay, then you doing any more cucumbers? No. Then over here we have some banana peppers. We have 1 banana pepper and it could stay. It's just up to him. And then there's a nice jalapeno right there that's ready. I can't stick. And then there's 1. So he's gonna raise up it. Because we got wildlife out here, guys. We have turkeys. We have a lot of, every night the cats come through and possums. So we're gonna get that. Look how big my tomatoes are getting. Okay, so he's gonna go on and snap that jalapeno. Show it to the fam. Yeah, that's a nice one. And the banana pepper. This hasn't gone. We had a plan of who was going to do what. No. We're just going with the flow. That's how we do. We put these plants in the ground, did the best we knew how to do, and let them do what they do. And that's how life is. You just roll with it. And let it roll. Oh, we found another banana pepper. I didn't see that one. Show it to the fam. All right, that was cool. The next time I do an update, y'all, it's gonna have some tomatoes. And then let me show you. Then we have a couple of strawberries coming through. I just let those shrivel away. We're gonna have some watermelons. Gonna have some. We have a lot of pollinators. Look at him going in there. So, yeah. Ooh, my baby bell pepper! Yay! Okay, so let's go to the. Let's go to. Y'all, that's a nice harvest. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Look. So teamwork makes the dream work. Work as a team. Things are so much more fun. Look at that. So just gonna rinse these off. They're going in the house. Now people say, well, how do you know if you get a whole lot of cucumbers, what do you do with them and stuff like that? You eat some for salads, and then I put cucumbers in my smoothies. You could just blend it up in your Instant Pot. Your Instant Pot, your Ninja. When you make like a green smoothie, gonna put some cucumber in there, your lettuce, and whatever you put in your green smoothie, blend it up, put it in the freezer. You can have that for 6 months. Peppers, you don't eat them all. That's when you start making your sofrito. Freeze that. Put your onions, your peppers, and your garlic together. Blend it. Freeze them in little packets. You got sofrito all year long. Put them in your beans, your pinto beans, and everything. Yeah, so this won't go to waste. All right, so guys, thank you for sharing. Thanks, hubby. Thanks for sharing our harvest with us. Just want you guys just to keep going. Don't give up. You tweak things. And it's so funny. Most of my plants were like struggling. This cucumber plant was so little, and it kept flopping, and it kept, when I first got it, and I just kept working with it and put it outside. We put it right here, and it just took off. So here's some little ones. Your little cucumber right there. I have one down here, some more. So in a couple of weeks we'll have some more. It's beautiful. We'll have some tomatoes. So I'm going to take these in and wash them down, and it's all good. Okay, guys, so thanks so much for tuning in and harvesting with us. And we just got to keep going. All right, if you like my vibe, if you're new here, I'm Tanya, and hello and welcome, and I would love for you to subscribe. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the tribe, and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I upload any new content. And if you just like this video, go on and hit that thumbs up, and that'll help. And I appreciate you stopping by. See you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom. I'll put that rot thing on. Okay, guys, so while I'm out here, just going to check everything else out. Hubby came straight in from work and grabbed me and said, let's go on and get these cucumbers. So that was cool. Okay, so I have some of my lettuce starts here. They're coming on up. See these little, I started them from seed. And these are just hanging in there. We have some blooming on these tomato plants here. Right there. Right there, right there, all of these. These were originally in this pot here, and so they're doing well. When I transplanted these into this pot, they're not doing anything yet. Okay, there's my monstera. It is just like growing more and more leaves. It likes it out here. These are tropical plants. They're in the tropical environment. It's warm and moist. All right, and here are my house plants. They're not going to like it when I take them inside. When it gets cold, they're coming inside. I have to, They get new soil, they get cleaned up, and then they won't come out until spring next year. All right, there's some more lettuce plants. These are flowers from seed. All right, we got some more peppers popping up over here. Finally got these transplanted, guys. And then here's some more lettuce. Some more lettuce starts right here. They're peeping on out. They're perking up. Let's see, here's this pepper. Still hanging in there. Then some more house plants. And I'm starting my small little sugar baby pumpkins right here. But they haven't germinated yet. So we're going to see how that goes. All right. All right, cherry tomatoes, plants, just the plants. Eggplant starts. Hubby put these in there. Yeah, all right, so that's, while I'm out here, I just do a tour. Just, it's good to check your garden every day, sometimes twice a day, because if you see any bugs, any insect damage, you can kind of nip it in the bud before it goes to your entire plant. But so everything looks good. So isn't she so pretty? I told you she was on the clearance rack about to